So guys, we have updated the file with we have updated the 5600 records with the help of the file safety file, and now we need to delete that report for going the other option, login option, that I have already discussed over. So for going with the OAuth option, we need to delete the records. So after updating all the records, we have the two files. The data loader have created two files here: error file and the successful error file. Having the record, these are not updated due to some reasons, and the success files having the record that are successfully recorded in your Salesforce code. So first we need to click on the delete button to delete the records, and here we need to select the object name as we have already did it, and we need to select the file. We need to click on OK next button. Then it's showing the 56 report that you want to delete. OK, next we need to create the edit button, and where we can go with the ID option. So ID, I'm taking the ID here and click on the OK button. Then we can go with the next button, and there, as I have already discussed, this is the browser that where you want the feedback file. Then click on the finish button, and here it's showing you have chosen the delete existing row. Yes, we have chosen. So click on yes and click on yes. So it's loading your bulk file and deleting the files. We have 56 total records. Let's check how much this will process. Oh, 1000 it's processed. 2, 3, 4200, 4200, 4200, 5400, and 56. And I think all the records deleted successfully. So deleting option is also working. So in the coming video we will work with the OAuth. Okay, that is also good to know, and is also important to know. It's also showing the like the operation finish. The operation has successfully completed. There were 56 successfully deleted and 0 is added. Okay. Okay guys, so you can see now data loader has created two more files, error file and the successful file. Like if I open the error file, that would be a amplified sheet, and the success file having the data that you have deleted, item deleted. Okay, the other files having the inserted option. I can also show you, sorry, that was the deleting option. I can also show you this file. This is showing your error limit exceed. Okay, so so okay guys, so in the coming video we will learn the OAuth.